What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday was actually a really big milestone for the M3. We got the rod bearings done. As you've known from previous videos, the car has 192,000 miles now, and it's one of the things that's been kind of preventing us from driving the car too hard because we just didn't know the full maintenance history of the car before. The only thing that we have on record is literally the BMW recall that was done at like 45,000 miles. But the time has come and the rod bearings were done yesterday. Shout out to JD, he's the one that did the rod bearings on our M3. I was thinking about doing the rod bearing job myself, but you know, if the inevitable happens and I don't know what's going on, I don't want to be the reason why I fucked this up. So I'm kind of glad that we went to JD because that dude is super knowledgeable when it comes to cars and just even BMWs in general. There is a rumor that I think he's fully built a BMW from scratch, and I think he was blindfolded and his like hands were tied behind his back, something like that. I don't know. You're back.
Hello.
Welcome back. So we're gonna get straight into it. I'll show some of the footage of when we were at JD's. So these are the old bearings that were in the car. As I mentioned earlier, there's 192,000 miles that are on the car right now. And when JD pulled these out, he was mentioning that it looks like these bearings have been replaced before, which is a good thing. That's something we were unsure of. And if he were to like kind of guess and estimate, it looks like they were probably replaced around the 130,000 mark, which is good because I mean there's wear on these bearings, but it's not crazy wear to where you just see like full copper and they're just all fucked up. So at least now with the rod bearings being done, we have like that peace of mind of the car's good to go. And if you know E46 M3s, the three big maintenances is the rod bearings, the VANOS, and the rear subframe reinforcement, two of which the three are going to be finally done on the car. Rod bearing and VANOS are finally done, and the last thing to do is just the subframe reinforcement, which just means we're that much closer to just being everything we want it to be and like perfect and good to go. Now with this being done, we can finally feel comfortable with driving the car a lot harder and not having to be like so cautious with not knowing if the bearings were even changed after that recall or anything like that. You do not want to screw things up with not changing them, and if you take care of these S54 engines, they're known to be lasting a very, very long time, and as long as you take care of it, it's going to take care of you. And just like the previous video, you can see we're missing the freaking front lip again. On our way to JD's, we were driving, there's this little canyon road that we're driving down, and this decided to fall off again, so we just need to get rid of that and get that thing replaced because it's getting so annoying. And then it's kind of like our jank zip ties of trying to tie it on. We're just going to get the right parts and get that fixed up just so it's like looking nice again. And I don't know if you noticed from the beginning of the video, no more check engine light. We've had the check engine light, and for those of you who know, it was just an O2 sensor. I had changed that out while we were at JD's, but yeah, finally we got that situated. Kind of wanted to keep this video short and sweet. I'm not going to go too into detail with it because I'm not going to lie to you, I don't know all the specifics when it comes to the rod bearing job. That's why I left it up to JD, and he did an amazing job, honestly. I'm going to leave his information down below. Definitely hit him up if you're looking to get your rod bearings done or anything else done. He kind of does it all. As of right now, his schedule is a little busy, but I'm sure if you hit him up, he'll try to squeeze you in when he can. Shout out to Gene and Billy for both of them recommending me to go to JD. As I'm sure a lot of you guys are, a lot of you guys could be very particular on who kind of like works on your car. It's an even better peace of mind when you know the person that's going to be working on the car knows what they're doing and is going to do it right with no cutting corners and isn't going to, you know, take any shortcuts. I'm just ready to take it to the track. Now that this has been done, I can't wait to see the full potential of this car because I've heard so many good things about how these perform on the track and whatnot, and I know this is going to be a blast to drive. With these M cars, they're meant to be driven. They can handle a lot more than what people think. So I kind of wanted to treat this as just like an update video. There's a couple of things that are going to be happening pretty soon. I just got this package from Poland. I'm gonna do a full unboxing video. We did our first like collaboration with a company. I'm not gonna say too much about it because I'll wait for the video. It's gonna be basically the start to the interior detailing series that we've been meaning to do. We've been kind of wanting to do like a refresh on the M3, but now instead of like the final touch, this is gonna be the one thing that starts it all, and it's gonna, just trust me when I say it's good. Jirath has a new addition to the garage that he wants to show.
Like this?
No, that's not the new addition.
Oh. Even this?
No!
What is it?
What are we doing today?
I forgot. Oh, the QJ. Cut that shit out.
Like I said, oh, this one.
Yeah, you weren't supposed to see what he showed earlier, but
That's what Geno was talking about. Well, if you see the box, you probably know what it is. It's a quick jack, so try to invest because we've been jacking up the car a lot, so we don't die.
yeah. This is gonna be the new essential to the garage. We got some quick jacks. We're probably gonna go ahead and install that today.
Oh! Houston, we have landed. First locking position.
The moment of truth. Let's see. Anthony has the lowest car of all of us. So if it fits his, it'll fit everyone else's. Will it slide under? Probably not. With these side skirts. Go ahead, try.
Because if you don't have side skirt. Do they barely fit now?
Oh shit. Yeah, that barely fits. It's only because the side skirts, huh?
Yeah, because it's up to here, so it's like 3 inches of a gap.
Yeah.
Fucking skate skirts.
Skate skirts. Skate skirt.
Alright, we're gonna have to rip off your side skirts.
Bro, and this is at this height. Holy crap.
Yeah, imagine.
This is that premium monster truck height.
you'll need the 2x4 for sure.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, since that didn't really work, we're gonna go ahead and build some 2x4 ramps, but we'll do that another day. What the fuck? No, it's not gonna work because
The pitch well.
yeah, no, the jacking point. Ha ha! My cars are too low.
Keep it a secret.
Can we just jack up someone's car? Grab someone else's car.
Get the wagon. The
Wagon.
wagon's
Oh
cool.
yeah, get the wagon.
Since you guys missed the wagon, then I don't know why I'm crying. I missed the wagon too. So
You missed the wagon that
yeah. So I'm gonna bring the wagon in.
much. Gee, the swagger wagon. Alright, no, we're good, yeah.
Good.
So this is how it's supposed to work out with our regular sized cars.
Regular car.
Regular heighted cars.
All right, Anthony, go down, please.
What the fuck? Oh, the...
This shit's so scary, bro. Oh, because it's going back.
First time always scary, though. It's always the first time.
I heard that, Jirath.
They get off a little bit. Just be careful.
Damn, son. We have so much room for activities.
All right, so if you get you guys got a normal car like this, you'll be fine. Unless you gotta make your own ramp, or
Yeah.
you buy it from somewhere.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good. Geno has the DIY, wood maker.
Yeah, I'll have to do a little DIY
Oh wow.
2x4 ramps.
You're leaking oil, bro.
Holy shit, I'm leaking big time. What the fuck? Can someone pass me the light?
Oh shit. Dude, that's a lot.
And a lot of people said try to shake the car.
Shake the car?
Shake the car.
Right now or first lock?
No, right now.
Go ahead, shake it.
It's not my car. You can. It seems pretty solid. It's pretty solid.
Yeah.
I put a little pressure, because I love my wagon.
More content coming on this. We have a couple things to install for here. I know we haven't showed this on the channel too much, but definitely needs a new oil pan gasket, and yeah, so that's gonna be on the list. Now that we have the quick jacks, everything's gonna be like so much easier for us to have a reliable lift, work on the cars and things like that. Anyways, I kind of want to keep it short and sweet with the rod bearing. Go ahead, comment down below and I can let you know whatever I can help out with. Other than that, if you made it to the end, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.